Well, this is my gift after working my butt off today. It's the Afterglow. I can't see the sunsets from my home, so I always appreciate when there is an afterglow in the opposite skies. I worked all day. As you can see, I trimmed my apple tree, got all those vertical branches off, and my crab apple. There's still a branch or two that I need to get, but I have to bring out my extended loppers to reach those safely. I couldn't do it with the ladder. On top of that, I've got all the leaves picked up. I'm surrounded by trees, and I don't mind a few leaves on the ground. There's a motorcycle going by. But I just have so many that they get packed if I don't take care of them in between. All the maples have let their leaves go, and the oaks remain. So I will have some leaves down on the ground later, and I'll leave them there for the little critters who like to overwinter in them. I just need to take some deep breaths. And I feel accomplished because I got so much done today. I still have some things to put away for the winter that won't weather the cold temperatures and the freeze. Still have my pumpkin out until this weekend probably. And I still have an apple tree to plant. I have to get that done soon. The sky is still nice and pink and blue. I'm just enjoying it until the dark takes over. And Tipsy kind of wants some loving. She's a very needy cat. I just fed them, but she prefers me right now. I'm not an affiliate or anything, but what has really helped me with my tree trimming this year is a little mini chainsaw. And there's so many on the market, and I like this one, Zeke Saw. It does the job I need it to do for trimming small branches. It does state that it can trim up to 4 to 6 inches, and I've done 4 inches. It takes a lot longer than a regular chainsaw, of course, but it's pretty easy for me to use with one hand. And this one comes with a self-oiler. If you look on Amazon or online for these, there are so many. And of course, they're made in China. You know, they're plastic. But I like this one because it came with a nice hardcore case. It came with safety glasses and gloves. And it has this self-oiler, which many of them do not. You have to oil as you go. And it comes with 2 batteries, a little Phillips screwdriver to adjust the blade. It comes with an extra chain as well. But it really is nice for pruning I like my loppers, but I need two hands to do that. So when I'm up on the ladder, sometimes that be tricky. So this has really helped, and I recommend you looking at them and deciding for yourself which one you want to get. Um, but, for somebody who is aging and looking for an easier way to do things, this fits the bill. And it also comes with an extra battery and charger, of course, so that when one dies, you have one already ready to go. I got about an hour off of my first battery, but I didn't realize it wasn't all the way charged, so I probably would have gotten more. I think it says it would get 2 hours. Whether it's a Seeksaw or a different brand, they're all basically the same. Like I said, the only difference that I noticed was a lot of them don't come with a self-oiler. So check them out for yourself. They are a real handy tool, as long as you don't have like major wood to cut. But this time of year and in the spring, I'm sure it will be helpful with trimming trees and bushes. So check it out. And the Afterglow